Hi, in this video, let's take a look at arithmetic operators. So let's start with from beginning. So write file hello.cpp. So let's get our headers, put out stream, right? So let's also get our function main 0. So let's say we have students. So int students equal to 20. Now I wanted to add plus 1 to this one, and let's see what are the possible ways that how we can add a 1 value to this one. So I can say like students is equal to students plus 1. Okay, so let's execute this one. G plus plus hello.cpp. Executable. Okay, if I run this one, you can see that. Okay, let's run this one first, and let's run this one. Okay, we haven't print the output yet, so let's do this one. It happens. Let's do this one here, and we have the output as 21. So here what we did, we took the variable students, and we did a plus 1 over here. So there is one more other way on how we can do the arithmetic like addition operation over here. So students plus equal to 1. This will also print the output as 21. You can see I have reduced the syntax, or else we can also do like this, students plus plus. So out of all the ways, I would recommend to use something like students plus plus. But again, I mean, whatever the syntax that you follow, that you use, there is no harm. It's again like how you progress yourself as a professional, and how to use this one. And the reason why I'm teaching all of this one, because if you're reading a code and if it has like these kind of syntaxes, I don't want you to get confused with this one. Let's also do it like a subtraction over here. Again, the basic one is equal to students minus 1. This is the easiest one, and it will print the output as 19. Or else what you can do, students is equal to, sorry, mm, minus is equal to 1. This will also print the output as 19. Or you can say students minus minus. Can see the 19, but this is only applicable, this plus plus minus minus only is for the arithmetic operation, and like addition and subtraction, but not for the multiplication. For example, let's see how we can do the multiplication. I would like to multiply by 2. Students is equal to students multiplied by 2. So this is good, 40. Or else what is the other way on we can do this one, students 2. So this is also how you can do this one, multiplied by 2. But if you try to do something like this one, like multiply, it will throw some error because there is no operation like this one. Just FYI, right? And now also let's do the division. So it's also very easy. Students is equal to students divided by 2. So this is like a straightforward one. The output is like 10. Or else you can do like students divided by equal to 2. So this will also be fine. It will print the output as 10. And so whatever we are getting, if you, in case if you want to get the remainder over here, for example, let's say um, let's get the int remainder is equal to students divided module by 2. So this will also be fine. Okay, instead of students, let's print reminder. This is 0. And if in case if it is 3, this will be 2. So what exactly the reminder? So let's see. So 20 divided by 2, this will give the output as 10, right? And if in case 20 divided by 3, it gives the output as 6.666. Okay, whereas if in case if you do 20 modulus of 2, this will give the remainder as 0, whereas for example let's say this will give the remainder as 1, I guess. 2. Yep. So 3 6 18 and 2 is the quotient. So for example let's say 7 7 2 is 14, so it should give a remainder of 6. So this is how the difference between a division operator and a remainder operator. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video we are going to take a look at the mathematical execution order.